Guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite some time since I've uploaded a video. I took some personal time off, which there were some things I was going through which was going to keep me from being able to post videos consistently. So it was kind of an unfortunate situation, but I am back, and today's look I achieved by using the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. I really like this palette because these are everyday colors that I tend to go to. As you can see from how messy it is, this is a palette that I use consistently. Really big fan of it, love these colors. Yeah, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching my video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.